This is just a test just to get multi-streaming up and running. We're not actually going to be doing anything. It looks like chat's working, and I do seem to be streaming to both as they both have the same image. And both of them changed here. YouTube seems to be behind. Maybe? How far is YouTube behind? There should be a new screen up there. There we go. So it seems to be about 30 seconds behind. I wonder if there's a way I can get it to go faster. It might actually be more than 30 seconds. So how is everyone doing today, or I guess tonight? I'm getting ready to go to bed. This was just a test. I'll be deleting it after. I assume everyone can hear me okay? Okay. Yeah, I streamed earlier today on Twitch, and I wanted to set up multi-stream. For some reason, OBS wouldn't get the text from YouTube. I assume you can hear me now, though. Baba Ganoush, 1969. I forgot how much work this was. Oh, my spoken word is low? It was okay on Twitch, and it should be fine here. Let me see if I can change that a bit. That's the whole point of this one. What about everyone else? How's the audio levels? How about now? Is that better? I bumped it up another 3 decibels. Oh, Benjamin thinks it's okay. Oh, Rowan's back. Oh, on Twitch too. So I'm using StreamerBot, and it shows me the chat from both. I couldn't get it to work inside of OBS, but it does seem to work in StreamerBot. Yeah, I think it's fine on Twitch. I just got to get it set up better on YouTube. Shall we start? I don't know why this one takes so long to load up. Like I said, usually it just takes a second to load. All right, so let's go. I'm not going to be staying on very long, though. Maybe 5-10 minutes. I just want to see what happens. Yeah, it's on BurgZerg Arcade. I figure I'll do all the tests there before I move it. And there's a few folders I'll need here. I have a staff meeting in the morning, so got to keep that in mind. I can't stay up too late. Okay. So there's a few other people over on YouTube. Can you hear me okay? I guess I'll be able to actually go through and test the audio after anyway. I guess I could hit the audio here. Give me just a sec. Well, if I say something now, I should be able to hear it in about 30 seconds. And I wait. I'll have to. Oh no, I seem to be fine on YouTube. Let's see. I've got stream latency set down to low latency. It's just slow. I remember getting it before where it wasn't a 30-second delay. It was only 5 maybe. Yeah. Oh, for me, it's like 30 seconds behind. What about everyone? Well, I guess they can't tell. Let's see if I edit the stream. There was an option. No, it's not there. Where is it? The only option I see is normal latency, low latency, and ultra low latency. I'll have to read up on it. I just don't remember. That's fine. I am going to need a third monitor if I want all these windows open. So am I still cutting in and out for you, Roan, or is it better? Bum D 187. Oh, sorry, 197. How you doing? Okay. Well, might as well create a few folders while I'm here. Items. I'm going to come down here to scripts. Let's create a few different script folders. Let's do resources. I can move this stuff around later. Let's make that first script. Let's make the one we had today. I'll probably do stats first, but we've already got this one started, so let's do it. Okay. And let's make this bigger because my eyes will not work for that small. Okay. be overloading that, so we'll just do item name. And I like to give it a default for names. We need an icon for it. We need a 3D model for it. A value, no price. Every item in the game, does it need anything else? We could give it a some sort of ID. For right now, I don't think I need one. I think that's it. Hey, Subcoder, how you doing? Well, it hasn't been 10 years. It has been a while, though. Okay, so I'm going to inherit from this. So I'm going to create another script. This one's going to inherit from item. And let's call it, let's do armor first. Okay, so we're extending items. That means we got all the properties of item, and we also want to be able to have an export value, armor level, and we'll say everything. There might be some armor that just gives 0. We'll start off at 0. I really do like this streamer bot setup because it shows me what chat it comes through from either Twitch or from YouTube. Rowan's on both. Okay, what else do we need? That's the only slot where you equip it. I'm just going to make note of that because I want an enum for that. I think that's it for that. And let's go make some right now. So we're going to come into resources, create a new folder. And let's create our first one. Why is it not picking it up? Because I didn't spell it right. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and make that. We'll say armor. Armor now shows up. Let's start off with a cloth hat. I'll do cloth cap. And that should be an armor. So I can come over, give it its name. I'm not going to have it do any sort of armor. I guess we can go look for some assets for it. I guess we're going to have a few weeks of just 3D modeling. Let's just grab something just to use for now. Stop the clot. I was thinking of one of the ones from, what was it, Arc? But that didn't show up. So I'll just grab anything. This one here. Now it should be square. For now, I don't care. And we'll just throw this in assets. And we should go ahead, create a new folder here. We'll say icons. I can't make the text here bigger without going into properties, and I don't really want to do that. So I'll create another folder here. What do we got? Oh, nope. Well, there we go. Just so we have something set up. We'll quickly rename this. I like to have it have the same name. Oh, it's a WebP. I don't think I can use WebP. Let me check. Oh, it does support WebP. I did not expect that. Wow, okay. It supports WebP. Well, okay. So how is everyone doing tonight? I'll go to 11:30, so I'll just keep going till I hit that. So about 13 more minutes. If anyone's got any questions about anything, just go ahead, post them here. I guess we'll also start on the character too. Well, we'll just keep flushing out the items first. We'll need a place to store the player. I don't know what type he's going to be just yet, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I guess it'll be of type player, but I haven't made that yet. Okay, so the player, oh, what did I do wrong? Line 3 on it. Well, first off, let's fix this. Then export character name, string. What did I mess up? String is capitalized. Ah, friggin' Python. Forgot the var again. Okay, so I'm going to need, so there's going to be different character classes. I am going to need a total level. I'm going to have a lot of these exported, even though I don't need them exported. I just like to watch them inside the inspector. Later on, I can go ahead and get rid of the export. And we'll call this the power level, which will be the combination of all the levels combined. And it will be an int. And we start at 0. So only to fill all those out for all of them. Now experience is going to be different because I want the experience to be gained in the skills, and then it kind of trickles up from, as you use your skills, it goes up to the class, then from the class to the player. And I'm actually going to do the classes right away. Actually, this goes into characters. Yeah, I'll put it here for now. Even though I've made a folder for classes, I think there's only one script. So this will be a resource. Cheetola. Wow, did I get a bot already? A Twitch bot? I guess I've got to set it up so that you can't post links. All right, I'll get that out later. Character. Class. Let's open that up. And I don't like it capitalized for the file names. And I forgot the var. happened? Yeah, whatever. And on this one, we're also going to have an export var class level. This will be of type int, and all classes will start off on 0. Export var. Let's have total. Well, let's have exp or experience. So looks like we got about 4 minutes left. Let me see. Experience. I need experience to level. Oh, what did I screw up here now? Oh, class name. Idiot. I can't use that. It's a reserved word. And I want to use name because I'm hiding it, which I'm not that bad. Yeah, get him. How you doing, Brian? I'm not going to be on very long. This was just kind of a test just to see if multi-streaming is set up right. It seems to be going okay. I'll have to check the recording later. I don't want to call it name though. And I can't call it class name. I'm not going to spend a lot of brain power on it this time of night. Good enough. And then I need some sort of constant. So let's do, I can't remember, is it const? Yeah. E. So every level, it's going to cost 25% more to level. Let's start doing some of these functions too. Okay, so we can say experience current plus equals value. We probably should check. Well, do I want to be able to have a negative value come in? How are we going to handle? Well, it's going to be for the first version anyway. I want to make it roguelike. So if you die, you just lose everything. So there's no point in giving negative. So for now, I'm not even going to test for a negative. And then I need another function called oops, completely different language. And here, I'll say if experience current is greater than, I need another one up here. We'll just start it off at 100. Yeah, we'll just start it off at 100. And I also have to add this to the total. We're going to make it the level. Did I do level? Class level? Yep. And we'll go ahead and say experience current minus equals experience to level. And then just in case we got a really big chunk of experience and we can level twice, we should call ourselves again. I don't think this will result in any sort of recursion problems. Let's only call this if we leveled up. So if we don't level up, we never call ourselves. So we shouldn't have to worry about recursion. I'm not sure what you mean, TI, Brian. What time is it? Oh, I'm 2 minutes over. I want to quickly test this just to see if it's working. So let's create a new, let's do it 2D. Say testing. I'm not going to save it in a folder. So if I shrink everything up, it's right here. I can delete it later. I'm not going to use this one. I'll come up here and say, we got to make it was a character class I was testing, right? So export. I need to save this scene. I'm going to cancel it and just do. And again, I'm not going to throw it in any folders. So I'm going to delete it right after. So we'll go ahead. We'll save it. We'll close it off. Apparently I did save it in a folder somewhere. Dang it. So class test is a T. I put it in resources. Really? There we go. Okay, so let's go make that test class. So we got to go to, it's a resource. We'll make a component out of it later. So the armor. Actually, yeah, we'll just keep it that way. I can change the name later too. So we'll create a new resource. Character class. And let's start off with the fighter. And then I can open this. There's my test class. Put that in there. Okay, then we'll say, I actually hate the test class. It's at 1,000 experience. And then let's go into test class one more time. Where's it? Right here. And print adding experience. Then the value I'm adding. Then I also want to print when I'm leveling up. So that should get me to what? Going up by 25%, 7, 8 levels. Let's try it. Run current scene. And an error. What was my error? Oh, did I not drag the... I thought I did. I might not have. So it added experience. It added 1,000. Why did this not fire off? That's fine. Okay, so we go. Oh, and another thing. Need to level up. Right there. Try this. There we go. So out of the experience, and then a whole bunch of levels. Let's at the very end. Inside of the test. One more test. There we got him level 9 off 1,000. Cool. And then just to double check, we should be able to print out his total experience. It should be 1,000. And I also want to print out all the rest of the EXP ones. All right, so he's level 9. He's got a total of 1,000 of experience. He's got, what is that, 100? And it says 100 to level. So this is all idiot. Come back into here. We didn't set the experience to level. And this will be multiplied equals. There we go. Why did I get a float? I thought I made them all ints. I made them floats. What was I thinking? I'm thinking it's late. I got up early today. There we go. We could keep them as floats. I don't really need that precise of experience gain. There we go. So he leveled up 5 times. So he's level 5. He's got a total of 1,000 of experience. His next level cost 181. Sorry, his next level costs 303, and he's got 181 total. Yeah, 181 towards that level. Okay, so we got that part working. What else do we need here? Add experience. I'm not sure if I want to have the keep track in here. I don't think so, because excuse me, The way it works is when you use a skill, you gain experience. That experience, a certain percentage of it will get passed up to the class. I actually think I want the class to be referenced inside of the skill. I think that'll be better. Okay, well, that's it for me. I'm going to call it there because I got to get up in a few hours. If I go to bed now, I can get like 6 hours sleep. So almost 6 hours. All right. Anything 3PO? How you doing? Glad you dropped in on Twitch, but we're just about to shut down. I'm hoping to start doing this every Sunday. I don't know. I'm really anxious to work on this game, so maybe, at least for the first little while, I'll do a lot more streaming just till I get it going. All right, before I head off, last chance. Any questions? Anything anyone wanted to see? I don't see any questions posted, so if not, I'm going to be logging off. How's the overall quality? Is the text okay? Can anyone read that fine? I went with the recommended. Okay. Okay, I just want to make sure. I could always go back and check it later. I don't have the stream set to save. I'll probably end up just deleting this one anyway because it was mostly just meant for a test. I didn't actually mean to do anything. It's just, well, it happens. Okay, well, if there's no questions, I'm going to call this one here. And I don't know if I'll have time tomorrow to do any streaming. I'll try to get in if I can, but I don't know. I got to help my son with his homework. He's got chemistry homework I got to help him with. Okay, well, I'll see everyone later then. Brian, on YouTube, you have that little like cabbage icon. What is that? I've never seen it. Oh, type it in chat. I'll read it later. All right. I'll see everyone later. Thanks for showing up. Bye-bye. So here's the chat as I see it. I was just about to hit the stop stream, but I'll show you what I see. So I can see if chat comes in through YouTube or if it comes in through Twitch. Is that poop? I have no idea what these icons are. On YouTube, hey, Lunchong. Was it Lakong? Luchan? Well, he's on Twitch, so he doesn't get one. Yeah, I don't know. You've got green beside Brian. On YouTube, Roan has, we'll call it a cookie. I gotta move the mic a little closer. Never mind, when I look closer, it's, oh, that's your avatar. Never mind. That's your avatar icon. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get to bed. I'll see everyone later. Bye-bye. Thanks for showing up.